What's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you this Starkiller lightsaber that I finally got from Saber Theory. It's a Profi NeoPixel, it was around $500 and it got here super fast. I think it was like 2 weeks, which is insane considering that I live in the middle of Europe. Well, I live in Prague, but it's also like nowhere. The saber itself is insane. It has open crystal chamber, which I absolutely love. I'm gonna show you all how it looks, what it does, what I like about it, what I don't like about it. Then I'm gonna show you the hilt. Then I'm gonna do some swing tests, sound tests, and also gonna show you the fonts that I installed, because as you obviously know, or maybe not know, but you will know now, you can install custom fonts to the Profi NeoPixel, which is amazing. I struggled with it for a bit, but then I got some help and I finally installed my own fonts, my own blade fonts and sound fonts, and you can do that too if you buy a Profi NeoPixel. So the saber comes in this beautiful box and it has a lock as well. And it's gonna be super quick. First off, we obviously have the hilt with a blade plug already installed, and just quickly show you what it does. So just like this one is for when you want to put it somewhere without the blade and still be able to see the light. Obviously the open chamber just looks amazing, and yes, it does change colors according to the color you have. So this is a hilt. I'll show you more about it later. Next we have the blade. So it's a 36-inch blade with a NeoPixel end. Nothing special about it. It is not recommended to duel with this one. The base leads are suitable for dueling, but NeoPixels and XenPixels mostly are not. So that was the blade. Now this is the stand that I still have to unpack, but once unpacked it's gonna look something like, let me show you just quickly. Yeah. So it's gonna look like this. It's just a clear stand for your lightsaber hilt. Pretty cool. And then we have Allen wrench. You use this to screw in the blade and other accessories if the saber has it. Battery charger with a cable as well. And some extra screws. So the hilt itself looks absolutely amazing. I love the Starkiller's weapon design. Love the open chamber. It sort of resembles Anakin lightsaber with this part and also this part, which also kind of resembles Vader's. So Starkiller was basically influenced by Vader when he was building his lightsaber. But the open chamber crystal is absolutely the main reason I got this lightsaber. That and also the fact that I love Starkiller's character. So the open chamber when ignited looks like this. You can also basically change the color. I'll just twist it. So you can get any color, any RGB color, and this is what the hilt plug looks like. As I said, it looks really cool when it's just on the stand without the blade. Now, if I unscrew this, we'll get to the electronics and the chassis. And this itself is the only single thing that I dislike about the saber. It's an LGT saber and their electronics are sort of fragile, so you have to be really careful when pulling out the battery or the SD card. But you can basically pull out the battery through here if you push I just used the Allen wrench. It probably does not damage the battery, I'm honestly not sure. And then you have the lightsaber, the lightsaber plug-in. If you plug a SD cable to it, you'll be able to install the lightsaber fonts. Also, it has the SD card in there. There's those sound fonts and the speaker. So that's pretty much it about the hilt. I'm still thinking about whether to weather it or not, because I honestly like the clean design of it, but I would also love to do a little bit of weathered, battle damaged lightsaber look, as I did on my Cal Kestis lightsaber. So let me know in the comments if you would like to see this one being weathered and repainted or not.
I let you live. I am KANAN JARRUS, Jedi Knight. KRELL, you're being relieved of duty.
Now, I also installed this font that I'll show you what it does. So it starts as a simple red color, but if I swing it, it changes colors, which is honestly awesome. I haven't seen this one yet, and it's really cool.